What's up, guys? Ricky with Envy This. Today we're ceramic coating some BMW M Series brake calipers. Client came in, wants to protect them from the buildup of all the brake dust on these big carbon ceramic brakes. So first thing first, always have your gloves on so you don't have to worry about any of your oils getting off your fingers onto your surface. Panel prep, and I always work in a 50-50 direction, so I break it off into halves. Gonna work the left side first, reaching in all these cracks and crevices just in case whenever they came from the manufacturer that there aren't any kind of oils on it, because those would react with the coating and leave us with a finish that we don't want. This is the tedious part where like everything goes quiet. There's not much to talk about. I hope everybody's having a absolutely wonderful Wednesday. I hope your Wednesday is going just as good as mine. Today we're working on some fun stuff. Little neat, breaks it up, not working on the same thing as always. So make sure I got all these sides. And in here. And we're good to go. So up next, we're gonna work our, let me set this to the side so we don't confuse our towels. We're gonna put our level towel next to us for the ceramic. This is a brand new microfiber. First things first, we're gonna grab one of our smaller applicators and we're gonna work the small areas just so we can get inside and not have to worry about trying to fit like this big block on all these little areas. So it's just like whenever you were back in school doing like hand painting, works the same way. We're gonna do the exact same thing you did back then. Slowly making sure that we evenly apply everywhere. We don't want any misapplication. And again, tedious part. There's not much fun stuff to talk about right here, right? It's pretty self-explanatory. Do all of the little spots. And we'll do this right here. So you don't want to pick it up right now just because all of those little areas that you've been working on, you don't want these gloves to wipe any of that ceramic. You want to just level it completely after that. So get this side, and that should be all of my small areas. Kind of double and triple check that you got them. Never hurts to go back over the top. You're definitely going to want to do this in a climatized environment. Without that, you are destined to have issues. And we prep up our pad. This is the last little bit of this guy. Again, I'm going to break it down into 50-50. We're going to stand it up straight, work this front of the M. Even application over everything since we've already worked those little cracks and crevices. Be good to go. While I'm grabbing on it, I'm doing my absolute best to not touch any of the ceramic, since we don't want to wipe it off as soon as John bonding to clear coat. And voila, there we go. Next thing, you're gonna grab your level towel, come through, level out all your surfaces. Again, there's not really rhyme or reason on doing this, especially on something this small. You can break it down into sections like I do, or you can just wipe everywhere crazy. I like to do 50-50s so I know that I hit everything and I don't have to worry about any kind of high spots to chase later down the road. Fortunately, there's not something really fun to talk about right now, so you get to watch me work. So for the smaller areas, especially where like these brake fluid lines are, I'm just gonna wrap it around the towel. Use that applicator just to reach inside of there and level out those sections where that ceramic is, where you can't really like just fit your fingers. It just doesn't work well. Okay. I'll set that joker right there and kind of take a look over everything, look for any kind of high spots, make sure we're hitting all these cracks and crevices. You know, as a pro, like, you know, the old saying, man, they just make it look so easy. Yeah, make it look pretty easy. It's different work, especially whenever something goes wrong. Trying to chase a mess up with ceramic is nightmare fuel. Not fun at all. But if you want to take anything that we did in this video and apply it for yourself, of course, you know, do it. I'd suggest it. Get after it, have a little fun, learn how to do different things, and enjoy it. This is the final product. You're left with more gloss and that protection. If you aren't a DIY guy and you want to have a professional do this kind of service, we offer this. We also use non-consumer coatings. We had to get certified to use our coatings, so we get a little bit of stronger than what you can find on like Amazon or anywhere online. So if you're looking to protect your vehicle, protect your brake calipers, especially from all of the brake dust that it builds up, and that everyday just road abuse, give us a call. We can get it knocked out.